February 14th is a joyful date, both for lovers and marketers. While couples celebrate their feelings with gifts and intimate dinners, companies double their email volume and rake in billions in sales. When competing for sales, how can you stay afloat amid inbox clutter and set new records for email marketing revenue? This is done via newsletter. If you want to create beautiful newsletters and send high-impact campaigns, incorporate all these Valentine's Day marketing ideas into your newsletters. Welcome to Complete Email, providing email marketing solutions for your benefit. Make sure to like, comment, share, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to be informed when I post. "14 Valentine's Day email campaign ideas for 2023. Number 1. Help make this day special. For a few years now, Valentine's Day hasn't been the same as it was before the pandemic, but the holiday's main theme stays the same. So don't be afraid to acknowledge the change and embrace it through email. Advertise anywhere your product or service can be used to create a special evening at home. For example, Hulu, the streaming platform, sent a great email that lets their customers relax about not having any fancy plans with Hulu's help. They can spend the night with the TV they love in the email. Showcased are popular TV couples along with the clever line, "Love comes in all genres." Hulu's clever V-Day email centers around spending the holiday at home. Number 2. Cherish the unique relationship you've built. A relationship with a loyal customer is priceless. So, who said you can't celebrate it on the Lover's Day? With a little help from personalization and email, you can show each and every one of your subscribers and customers they mean a lot to you. This personalization can be done by including the data collected in viewer-friendly format, like using charts and graphs. Number 3. Use subtle charm. If you don't want to stray too far away from your usual newsletter in design or copy, sprinkle in a few flirtatious elements into your email. If a dedicated campaign doesn't fit your schedule or brand, don't force it. Tweak an existing template and treat the holiday more like a theme in your email than a festive extravaganza. You can apply this to your email campaign, even if you do launch your love-themed product line or a special deal for this day. That being said, don't be afraid to add a few flirtatious lines to your copy to make the reader blush. Number 4. Make a promise and deliver. Do you know one of the main reasons your customers don't shop online close to Valentine's Day? It's not because they don't love your offers, or because they feel your inventory is overpriced. They fear being late with the perfect gift for their significant other. Can you imagine running home with a box of chocolates on February 15th? Make sure your Valentine's Day newsletter makes a promise of timely delivery in the subject line. An image in your email that reassures them you'll be on time. A footer that repeats the promise. Number 5. Use wish lists and gift guides. Here's a quick fact. Your potential customers will visit only 1 to 3 retail sites before they purchase a Valentine's Day gift. Remove shopping obstacles and drop a hint in your Valentine's email about the ideal gift for their partner. Your newsletter must prevent visitors from wandering around on your website and perhaps sailing away to a competitor's e-store. Promote wish list ideas in your PI holiday emails, so subscribers can point their significant other to the right gift. You'll reduce the number of returned items and become a trusted everyday shopping advisor. Number 6. Create irresistible subject lines. Like the holiday itself, your newsletter should be filled with love, starting with your subject line. Make it clear that your email is a special Valentine's Day promo. Here's what to include in the subject line. Use words like perfect, ideal, and gift to accentuate the useful side of your newsletter. Also explain how you have the best product for their problem. Boost open rates by creating a sense of urgency, using expressions like expires, ends soon, only, and left. Use emojis to make the subject line stand out from inbox clutter. Try something unique that matches both the Valentine's Day theme and your industry. Number 7. Appeal to the right people. Can you guess how much time subscribers devote to reading your email? Only 2 to 5 seconds. And if you don't appeal to them with a relevant offer, your newsletter may get deleted, marked as spam, or simply abandoned. So use all the data you've gathered about your subscribers, and on February 14th, the gender custom field is important. Segment your email marketing list by male and female for the basics and create offers that appeal to each. Don't waste their time by forcing them to browse irrelevant promos. They're already busy enough with Valentine's Day preparations. They need gifts not for themselves, but for their significant other. No worries. This is a perfect opportunity for a tactic called behavioral targeting. It suggests a hypothetical gender of subscribers based on offers and elements they click in the newsletter. How to run the test. Design an email with call to action buttons. Send an email to your entire mailing list. Then use the search context feature to check the history of clicks and find out who's interested in each category. This is a fairly easy way to profile your subscribers and create segments for use in future campaigns. Number 8. Tell a story and sell a dream. Marketers often underestimate the power of email copywriting. Sure, fancy graphics and design highlight and sell your products, but the story is what can put your products in the right context and sell your subscribers the dream you offer. A few sentences with a magical description of your Valentine's Day promotion can have a bigger impact on sales than a big discount or free shipping. Want to get people talking? Make up a hashtag and encourage people to share their special stories. See how Twitter did it? You don't have to be selling anything with your email campaign. You can also build brand awareness and social media engagement in a sweet way. Number 9. Find love everywhere. Valentine's Day is not only about shopping for exclusive gifts for your soul. All the jewelry, watches, lingerie, and funny or cheesy gadgets when your industry is not really romantic. You've got to get creative. As I mentioned before, the email's copy is everything. First, you need to find out how your product or offer can be connected to the theme of love, couples, relationships, feelings, and dating. Then, use a fun play on words to give your subscribers a Valentine's why, warm and fuzzy feeling. Number 10. Remind readers about gift cards. A dinner with candles, flowers, jewelry, or a new dress. Men have the same dilemma each year when given the mission of finding a perfect Valentine's Day gift. Traditional gift cards, vouchers, and e-gift cards can be a lifesaver for those who can't figure out their partner's preferences. According to Deloitte research, 43% of the world population purchase gift cards during holiday shopping. So why not promote them in your newsletters? This could be a perfect way to reach subscribers who prefer a safe option to a romantic Valentine's Day surprise. Promote your e-gift cards in the newsletter footer. This way, subscribers who scroll through the entire email and don't find anything relevant will stumble upon a Valentine's Day lifesaver that could save the day on February 14th. Number 11. It's all about giving. Valentine's Day is a unique time for giving gifts to those we care about and with whom we want to maintain great relationships. Use Valentine's Day to show your customers you really care about them and want to make them feel special. There are many ways to achieve that with newsletters. Promote free gift wrapping. Offer to add a personal message enclosed in an envelope. Promote free shipping. Give them the option to return gifts with no additional costs. Promote a unique discount code. If you jump on the occasion and use one of these ideas, your subscribers will appreciate the Valentine's Day aura your newsletter creates and may be more inclined to buy gifts from you. Number 12. Design a one-of-a-kind email template. Not many holidays have such a well-defined visual identity as Valentine's Day will, except Christmas. The color schemes and special symbols make Valentine's Day newsletters stand out from your usual emails.